In this video, we'll be talking about the abstract and virtual keywords in C#. So let's first give an example of the usage of an abstract keyword. I'm going to create a class called animal. Now we all know that an animal is an abstract term. So when you say that something is an animal, we don't know what type of an animal this is. And because the class is abstract, there is no way for us to create an instance of it. If I go to the main program file and try to create an instance of an animal class, I would get a compiler error that says, cannot create an instance of the abstract type. So I have to create a class that would inherit from the animal class. When we go back to the base animal class, we can say for sure that every animal has a name. Now let's create a class called dog that inherits from an animal. Please note that this class is not abstract, so we could write something like this. If we think about the things that are common for each animal, one of the things might be movement. But it's an abstract term as well, because there is a difference in the way a dog moves comparing to the way snake moves, and so on. So we can say that this could be an abstract method on the animal class. Abstract methods in C# do not have an implementation. They force the classes that inherit from this class to provide its own implementation. If I go to the dog class now, I get a compilation error that says, dog doesn't implement inherited abstract member move. We can fix this error by defining a move method implementation, and just print out to the console the dog moves. We have to use the word override as well. But if there was a single thing that we could say is common for each animal as well, but it's not mandatory, it would be the sound of an animal. What I mean by this is not every animal has to produce a sound. So instead of using a keyword abstract, I could use a keyword virtual to define a method that could be overridden if the child classes want to. So I'm gonna type public virtual void make sound. And the difference between virtual and abstract is not only that the virtual methods don't have to be overridden, but we can also specify their default implementation. The same applies to properties as well. So that was it for this video. Thank you for watching.